Pwede ma-request na mga pastors din sa unahan kaya para ano man ka, Pastor Lutz. Certificate of Appreciation. This certificate is proudly presented to Pastor Agustin. Okay. Agustin O. Viñas, in recognition of his exceptional dedication, skills, and cheerful spirit in teaching children during the 5-day music and instrument tutorial. His kindness, compassion, patience, and love for God shines brightly, inspiring, and nurturing young talents with joy and care. Train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it. Proverbs 22 verse 6, given the 7th day of July 2024 at Claveria Community Baptist Church, Poblacion 2, Claveria, Masbate. Signed by the church pastor Robinson G. Lins. Mga bata, pwede mo makapalakpak sa iyo, teacher.